Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to go premium on the CV Maker application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and a growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the last icon down below, which is the settings section. So click on it and then click on the try out premium button. Here you should select from the two offers in the middle of the screen. So click on the one that you prefer and then tap on the continue button down below so that you will be directed to App Store where you can proceed with the purchase and you can obtain the premium membership, thereby being able to unlock several features and cover letters and resume templates that are only available to premium users. As you can see, there's only one CV template available for like normal users of the app. Since if you swipe to the right side of the screen, you're going to see that all of these special templates are available for premium users only. So that's why you need to be a member if you want to use those special templates. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.